Hey, what's up, everyone? Copies here. Did some spring cleaning. I got a lot of crap to go through. I have no idea what's in most of these boxes, but I can tell you one thing: none of it's going to be worth actually seeing. But I'm curious. I thought maybe some of you would be too. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna start with this weird big one. Yeah, it says Puma, so I know what these are. These are gonna be those weird. Uh, Not exactly Ultra Boost things that they did, because Puma technically has the rights to Boost, and Adidas bought the rights from the company that they partnered with, BASF, I believe, and they sued each other a bunch of times, and yep, and that's why it took so long for Puma to come up with their own version of the Ultra Boost. It's kind of like Prime Knit, but not quite as good at the top here. That's Ultra Boost. I mean, that couldn't be any more Ultra Boost if you tried. So it's the same exact TPU molded thing from the same people. And again, it was Puma who developed Ultra Boost originally. I will probably try these out, probably make a video, probably let you know what's going on with them, and if they're any good. But I mean, for 30 bucks, I had to try. All right. Sorry if the volumes are really loud. I have this mic set up that I've just been using recently, and it's probably a little over the top. Okay, don't know what's in this either. Looks like a Nike box, most likely. Yeah, it's definitely a Nike box. Full receipt. Looks like Retro 13s, based on the box here. Yep. These. Forgot I got them, right? Why would you remember? I don't know. I like them. I'll have to compare them to the 2013 ones that I had before. There's a marking on them because quality control is awesome. But yeah, got that 3M. I don't know. I love Red 13s. Always have. So why not? Okay, this came from Zappos, so you know whatever's in here is terrible. And I mean terrible. This is probably something I wanted to wear. Yep. Again, I love me some bricks. There you go. These are some bricks. I backdoored these a while before they actually dropped. I didn't know if they'd sell out, but I wanted them. They're the Biggie sweater ones. And again, as I promised, absolutely no heat, none at all, because I only buy bricks. Again, I think, man, you buy what you want, wear what you want. Don't worry about what some other dude thinks of your shoes. And I live by my own words, man. Here's living proof of it. Let's see. Oh, here we go. We got one from S&S, man. Shout outs to S&S. Oh, there's some receipt coming out the bottom there. I love S&S. I love their $10 international shipping that gets here before the local places do. I mean, that's what's up, man. Like, how are you gonna charge $15 for shipping and take 2 weeks to get it to me when S&S will do it for 10 bucks in a couple days? Oh, all right. These are the UNC 11s. Boom. These are a pain in the ass to open, so give me a second here. Again, another pickup I forgot I had, because I don't wear new kicks often. I love to just hang on to them, bring them out in 2 or 3 years. And I didn't expect the Concords to come back so soon, so I thought these would be like nice for when I beat my Concords too much to wear anymore, or if I just didn't want to beat them to death, because it has a similar look. Y'all can disagree with me if you want. Damn, look at those Widow's Peaks. Look at that. Look at that. You almost think it was Fufu, right? That's just 2010. They wouldn't have allowed that crap, and I'm always tempted to like trim it, you know, because it just looks awful. But I don't know. Again, bricks, no resell, but that's why I'm gonna wear them. That's why I absolutely love my shoes. You don't gotta love my shoes. I'm gonna love my shoes. All right. This one is from Sneaker Politics. I usually only cop Adidas from them. So it's probably something Adidas. And if it's Adidas, it's probably all black. Consortium. Oh, yep. These are the king of bricks. Yeah. I never really saw them go for below retail, so I don't feel bad at all about copying them when they came out. Because these are definitely going to get worn all the time. I don't care what hype beasts say. Look at this shit. Look at that. I mean, black and silver. I don't know, man. Half of what I own is black and silver, so. But they're definitely bricks. Terrible bricks. I think that whole design was kind of a mistake. I have no idea where this is from. It's completely faded. So this one is a true mystery. It's probably been sitting in my house for a year or two. I had a lot of cleaning to do. Oh Jesus. It's from Yeezy Supply. Yep. 2016, over a year old. So that means I know exactly what these are. These are those cleats that everybody hates. And I'm not saying I don't hate them too. I'm just saying I love my bricks, man. I love all bricks. Also, these might be the only Yeezys that aren't fake. Because who the hell would ever... I think someone ended up making fake versions, but like, why would you bother? Why would you even want to make a fake version of that? And I don't know, I'm never gonna wear them. They're literally gonna sit on my display case because when the hell am I gonna need cleats? But anyway, they're unique. I was impulsive, and I didn't really have a reason to buy them. Other than sometimes you just do that. I don't know. I think about all the thousands of dollars in shoes that I've spent that I'm like, I don't want them. Don't even like them. Don't know what I was thinking. I know I got rid of a bunch of them before I moved. Sold them all at retail. Shout out to anyone that ended up getting those. Because I don't resell kicks. Even if I do end up with something that's not a brick by accident, I don't resell. Sauconys, okay. Oh, I know what these are. These are not even for me, but they are awesome. These are the Houndstooth Shadows. Everyone knows I love Sauconys. And again, obviously not a hype beast because I don't know if Saucony has any hype whatsoever. But their design and their comfort is just amazing. And I think I picked these up for like $25 because my girlfriend loves Houndstooth and she loves Saucony. So they were, I don't know what they were dirt cheap. I know that. And I didn't post a link because I only had 2 sizes left, just in case there was anyone else out there that loves Saucony. But maybe I should check to see if there's any more, because they're awesome, man. Look at that. I mean, what other shoe uses Houndstooth? I remember when fashion meant something, man. So those design elements. And Roll Tide fans, sorry they're not red. Just that regular black Houndstooth. I don't know what these are. Let's see if I sneakers. Oh, S&S. This is gonna be a big shout out because I actually know what these are. These, I think they're heat. They're not exactly bricks. Not gonna fly, but I'm stoked about these. And it's my first time laying eyes on them. These are the new Hue NMDs from the Holly Festival, and it's probably my least favorite colorway out of the three that dropped, but it's the one I won the raffle on. So I mean, there is that. I'm not going to complain. I'm going to take what I get from those raffles. It surprises me how heavy these are. This is my third pair that I've gotten, and it's like the sock booty, and it's so comfortable, and I love how beautiful they are, and I'm glad they're heavy because I know that means that they're like crafted decently. But I'm just shocked. They're kind of heavy for compared to a lot of the other NMDs and such. All right, so that's it. I only had 8 pairs of shoes to open up. I don't know where the other ones went. I threw them. Anyway, so that's it. That's my live spring cleaning unboxing. And now that I've done this and opened all these boxes and made this mess, the next thing I'm going to have to do is figure out where all these go. I only got about 3 spaces left for my sneaker display. And I'm not going to wear those. I am going to wear those. Yeah, I'm going to wear like pretty much everything here except the cleats. So I don't know what's going to end up on the display and which ones are going to end up in my closet as daily wears. And thanks for joining me in this. Thanks for watching this with me. Yeah, told you there's going to be nothing worth seeing here. But if you were brave enough to join in anyway, good on you. All right.